Hey minasan, konnichiwa, Maichang desu. So, it's been a long time. But anyways, I'm so sorry guys. So, it's end of the year guys. And actually, end of the year is my favorite season next to spring. Why? Kasi meron tayong Christmas, meron tayong New Year's, and also, if you are in Japan, you know that it's Fukubukuro season. And if you don't know what Fukubukuro is, Fukubukuro literally translates as lucky bags. Fukubukuro is a bag packed with a lot of goods by brands or companies and sell them at a really discounted price. So, for example, food companies, cosmetics, clothing, almost all you can name of, even electronics. End of the year is the best time to shop, and it's a shopping heaven actually kasi if you have your favorite brands or if you have something that you want to try, Fukubukuro is one of the best way to purchase yung mga items na gusto nyong i-try. But anyways, for today's video, ang haba na ng intro ko. For this year, I purchased some lucky box that I wanted to try. Today, we're unboxing one of the box that I purchased. This is a lucky box from Tirtir and it just arrived yesterday. Tirtir is a Korean brand but it is super popular in Japan right now. So I wanted to try some of their products, so I purchased one of their lucky box. So meron silang tatlong types of box that you can choose from. One is yung bestseller products nila na inassemble nila set into one box, and the other one is the skincare box, and this is the makeup box. So this box contains 2 mini cushions from their brand and 1 makeup base, 1 concealer, 1 highlighter stick, 1 lip tint, 1 essence, and a freebie of essence and cream. So, it also contains skincare inside. Gusto ko talaga matry from them is the makeup products, and since they will also include some skincare items, I think this is the best box for me. Ang original price ng box na to is 5,720 and I got a 20% coupon, so I bought it for 4,576. That's a good deal for me. 40% lang ng price niya yung binayaran ko, and that's a very good deal for me. So, eto na. Mag-unbox na tayo. Ang dami ng sinabi. So, we have 9 products inside. So, dalawa siya. The Tirtir Must Fit Red Cushion. And this is the Tirtir Must Fit All Cover Cushion. Etong red is SPF 40 PA++, Luminous Mask Shield 72 hours Stay Coverage. It has 4.5 grams of product and I got B21 and Ivory. The pink one is the Tirtir Must Fit All Cover Cushion, SPF 50 plus PA+++. So, mas mataas yung SPF niya, and Mask Shield 72 hours Stay Coverage, 4.5 grams of products, 21 and Ivory. So, parehong shade yung kinuha ko. In between the two, ito kasi yung pinaka-popular ngayon sa Japan. Ang cute. Ang liit lang niya. So, ayan siya. Ang cute. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nung packaging. Egg shape siya. Kapag binuksan nyo, you'll see a mirror and a puff. Ang cute nung puff. Talagang kasya lang siya sa finger ko. So, that's that. Ito naman yung pink. Ang nice nung packaging. So, may mirror din sila and puff. Okay. Ay, pareho sila ng shade, pero parang mas light yung sa pink. Let's see. If you can see. Let's swatch them. Thinking, oh my god, konti lang nilagay ko. Tada! Wala siyang scent. Ay, ang ganda. Hindi siya yung madaling mag-move na cushion. I think I will love this. So, let's try naman yung pink. So, ito yung pink. Ito parang malaka. Ayan. So, parang mas lighter talaga siya kaysa dun sa red. Although, pareho sila ng shade. Ayan siya. Ito yung red. Ito yung pink. May scent yung pink. Parang konting scent ng foundation. Pero sobrang subtle lang. Moving on, meron tayo dito yung Mask Fit Tone Up Cream, SPF 50 plus PA+++. Okay, sobrang taas ng SPF niya. Moisture Skin Cover UV Cut, 50 ml of product. So, ito full size siya. Oh, nice. Super nice ng packaging. Yung scent niya parang powder. Pero super subtle lang. Parang amoy baby. Medyo nakakalighten siya ng skin kasi nga tone-up cream siya. Most Korean and Japanese products kasi halos lahat ng makeup base nila is the function is to provide SPF and to tone up your skin for applying your foundation. So, hindi na nakakagulat na medyo nakakaputi talaga siya. Moving on, we have here the Mask Fit All Cover Dual Concealer. So, super popular din nito ngayon. And I got the shade 01 Natural. Meron siyang stick and meron din siyang tip. Yung liquid type. And multi-use flawless coverage. Meron siyang SPF 27 PA++. And yung tip is SPF 30 PA++. Ang ganda ng packaging nila. Ang ganda. Gusto ko rin tong itry, sa totoo lang. Hindi ko alam kung gaano karami yung product. Walang nakalagay kung gaano siya karami. But anyways, buksan natin. So, ito yung stick. Hindi siya ganun kahaba, but pwede na. Pwede na. Ito rin naman yung tip. Meron ako dito parang swatches ng eyeliner kanina. Try natin siyang i-cover. Ang soft niya sa skin. Yung stick mo na yung tinry ko ha. Nag-glide lang talaga siya. So, super light lang yung nilagay ko pero medyo visible pa rin ng konti. Siguro pwede natin siyang i-build up. Heavy yung coverage ng liquid type. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo, mas high coverage yung liquid type. Oh my god! I love this. Eto, excited talaga ako dito. This is the My Glow Shimmer Highlighter Jewel Baby Creamy Stick. So, highlighter siya. So, I wanted to try the Ample Balm, but ito kasi yung included sa Lucky Box. So, oh my gosh, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng packaging. So, silver lang siya. Oh my god, ang dami. Ang daming product. Meron siyang shimmer, but also, meron siyang parang water-like texture. Perfect for glass skin. Kasi recently, I've been loving dewy and glass skin. Pag nilagay niyo siya sa skin niyo, para siyang lip balm. Hindi siya cream, hindi siya matigas. Meron siyang shimmer, pero mas more on like water. Parang hydrated skin with natural glow. Ganun. Oh my god, I love it. Parang gusto ko din bilhin yung Ample Balm. Tingnan natin. This is the last makeup product and this is the Tirtir Gel Lip Plumping Tint 05 Rose Berry. Ito yung darkest shade ata na nakuha ko. Oh, ang cute. Ano to? Paano to? Ah, okay. Meron siyang applicator. Saan ba natin pwede kita ito? There. Oh. Ang ganda ng color. Ayan siya, guys. Oh my god. Ang ganda niya. Hindi siya matte. Meron din siyang gloss. So, 2-in-1 na siya, I think. And try natin burahin kung magti-tint siya. Kung kapag binura mo siya, mag-iiwan pa rin siya ng tint. Kahit burahin nyo siya, hindi siya nabubura. So far, so good. Sa skincare products naman tayo, meron sila dito yung freebie Perfect C Vita Essence. And this is the Perfect C Vita Cream. So, dun sa skincare lucky box nila, merong full size netong dalawang to. Dahil included naman siya dito sa kit na to, matatry ko naman siya kahit trial size lang. So, yan. Amoy kalamansi. Okay. It's super watery, but also super hydrating. Ang bango. Amoy lime. Vitacy nga, di ba? Hindi rin siya malagkit kahit na essence siya. Parang gusto ko itong i-try sa skincare. And this is the cream. And nalagay natin siya dito. Yung cream, super lightweight din. Hindi rin siya, ang tawag doon, hindi siya greasy. This will be perfect for before pag-apply ng makeup. Nakakalambot siya ng sobra ng skin. Parang super hydrated na yung skin ko. Oh my god. And I love the scent. Oh my god. And moving on to the last product, this is the Tirtir Artemisia Origin Essence. So, ang main ingredient niya is Artemisia. So, ito siya. Tirtir Artemisia Origin Essence, Jeju Artemisia Scoparia Extract. So, 100% daw siya na Artemisia Scoparia Extract. Provides skin balance care with Artemisia Scoparia of pure Jeju. Dermatologist tested. Okay. 150 ml of product to, guys. Saan ba natin ito nilagay? Dito na lang. Okay, mas watery siya compared dun sa Vitacy. Amoy herbs. Watery siya, pero after mo siyang i-blend sa skin mo, it's super smooth and silky sa feel. I-add ko to sa skincare routine ko sa night, and then ito naman before makeup. So, that's it, guys. Okay, so ito na siya lahat. Actually, sa sobrang dami niya, di ko siya mabibit sa kamay ko. Hindi ko siya may pakita sa inyo ng maayos. Parang hindi ako na-disappoint sa lahat ng products. Honestly, parang gusto ko pang bilhin yung iba nilang Lucky Box. Pero, I have to control myself. No. Nakikita niyo yung ulo ng anak ko. This is a very, very good deal kasi kung bibili niyo siya isa-isa, mas mapapamahal talaga kayo. So, gagawa din ako ng another video to try the actual products on me, pero hindi ngayon. For my next video, abangan niyo yun. And more of this will be coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So, yun. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you soon. Jane! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Can you say bye-bye?